let's go over creating a cloud assignment, which I believe will probably be the most popular assignment that you do. So there are several ways to do this. You could go straight to the module that you want to add it to and add assignment. Go to new assignment, give it a name. This one is going to be a KWL chart for distance learning. We'll indent it just to show students that yes, this is something you need to respond to. And then we'll add the item. Now it shows up. It's not published yet. And we can actually drag it to where we want it. So I've got cloud assignments here. I'll drag that up. And I'll drag this one up because it's going to be a sample assignment. Now I can click on it. Remember, if I click the three dots, I'll get to edit the name and the indent level. But I don't need to do that now. If you forgot to indent it, for example, you could do that there. But if I want to edit the assignment, I'll click on it. There it is. I'll click edit. And now I've got my rich text editor. So I'll type my directions in there. And I'll say complete the handout by replacing the blue text with your own responses. And those are my directions. I'll make this worth 10 points. Decimals, you know what I'm saying. Assignment group. I'm going to put this in reading responses because it's kind of a pre-reading thing, but it includes, you know, that. Okay, when we get to submission type, we're going to go to external tool and we're going to click on find. And we're going to scroll down to Office 365 Cloud Assignment. Once I click that, it's going to take me to my OneDrive. So you probably have assignments in your OneDrive that you print off and hand out, or that you maybe use in OneNote, or you know, the notebook or whatever. I have a KWL assignment, so I'll type in KWL in the search, hit enter, and there it is, my KWL chart. I'll click that. I'll attach the file. And now we need to hit select one more time. Okay, I'm going to assign it to everyone. I need to give it a due date. So I'll push the due date out a little bit and go to April 3rd now. And I'll save and publish that. Okay, now it's loaded my document. And now the student will have a copy of the document in his or her own OneDrive. So they'll have a copy to edit. I'll just have them edit it in the browser. And now the student can go in and replace all the blue text. I made it blue text because I figured that makes it easier for me to see their response. And it kind of gets them in the mindset of, okay, this is my response. So they would just replace it, and they will have a submit key. And it'll be saved in their OneDrive, and then they submit it. So that's the assignment. If you wanted to see what it looks like for them, you could go home and go to student view. And now they have that assignment in their to-do list. It's also going to be on the course calendar. And when they click on it, this might not work because I don't have the student's OneDrive. Yeah, it asked me to log in. So the student will have that, and then they'll have a submit button. And that's really going to benefit you to use that. because you can use Word docs that you already have. The student will have a copy of the file, and then you just grade it in the speed grader once there are submissions. But I don't have any yet. If anyone wants to do that assignment, go ahead, and then I could show you how to use the speed grader. All right. Talk to you next time.